Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a non-Newtonian fluid. Before I explain what it is, let us make it. It's very simple, as all what you need is 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, a dish, and a whisk. So let us go ahead. We're going to pour the cornstarch into the dish. And then we're going to add the water and whisk slowly. We're going to whisk until we get a homogeneous mixture. This may take a while, so take your time, just go slowly. So as you are making the mixture, you can also get a feel of what a non-Newtonian fluid is. As you can see how it is kind of sticky. It doesn't behave like a usual fluid, okay? But I'm going to show you something very, how can I say that? Unexpected. So here is the mixture. So you can see that it's a liquid. However, it won't fall. And what you can do, how funny is that? See how it behaves? I can take a lead ball. See? If I wait, it is going to sink. Completely. So when we do slow motion, the fluid behaves like a liquid, a normal liquid. But when we go fast, it becomes hard. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Thanks for watching.